Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to install tonneau cover on the box. It's a hard one, so I will do a quick unboxing, see what it looks like. This is the GM one. So watch your fingers at the end, there's still brushes. Alright. So hardware kit included. This is the GM one, part number 194-33568. Yeah. Alright, made in the United States of America. Gonna zoom in. Genuine with hologram sticker of GM. So it's cool that they do that, to make the parts authentic. We'll just flip it over, Matt. Alright, let's see how complicated this is gonna be. So I don't know what's in this green bag. Oh, those are the side trim rails. And that's a side trim rail too, so will probably be a right and left with green and clear. So put that aside. Oh, it's got cylinders on this one. I'm not even sure, I just asked for the hard one. I'm not sure what it was coming with. So, some batting. Oh my god. Want some hardware? I don't know why there's wire loom in there, but we'll find out soon. And then I guess it's just the box system. Obviously it locks. It's got sliders. It's got the locking mechanism. This is all quick adjustment to lock it into place. I think this is going to be a nice one. Really nice one. So it's got the straps to lock them in place. Yeah. Alright, so let's see what this is going to give us. We'll open it up. See if the instructions are in here. I think I need a new blade. Oh yeah. So 2 rails, 2 sets of wire loom, nuts and washers. E is what? Foam bumpers. So we got 3 foam bumpers. That is D. D is 1 bulkhead seal. Passenger side rail, driver side rail, foam bumper, drain tubes. So these are the drain tubes. So they're not, so if any water gets in there, they're drain tubes. Okay, cool. Why not? We got drain tubes. Fun. Here's the seal, 2-way tape. Or foams. 2 more foams. Don't know what this is. What is this? Oh, those are for the locking in place. Alright. For the straps, they're M. Buckle ends. Alright. And then AC just kicked on. You're supposed to replace that, it's too noisy. 254. So this fits 23 and up canyon, 24 plus Sierra. So basically from 2014, it's the same one you can buy since 2014. And oh yeah, there is instructions. So I guess we're going to start by step 1. Clean the back of the cab. Step 2, sit the rail to the front of the cab. Step 3, sit her down. Yeah. And then step 4, place the second clamp. Okay, then you start putting the clamps on, which are basically these. So imagine there's 3 per side, so there's 6. So and it folds up, it's a tri-fold. So, and then there's the locking to adjust, closes on the tailgate. If it's rimple, use a heat gun or dryer. Heat gun, make sure it's on low. Get all the rimples out to make a nice finish. It's gonna have the cylinders, so when you slide it up, the cylinders flip up, holds it into place, and then you got it in French. So, yeah. So alright, so that's what it looks like. So I guess we're gonna install it. So we'll catch you on the next one. Catch you in a bit. Bye for now.